Hey guys, it's Lauren from It's the Kellys, and today I'm coming to you from my beautiful, amazing apartment villa in Bora Bora. Ooh, there's a little gecko on the wall. Look at it. Anyway, I've been mentioning this for a little while, but today I'm going to do a get ready with me tropical edition. I am here in Bora Bora, French Polynesia, and tonight I am going down to an awesome Polynesian festival, and there's going to be dancing and music and food trucks and just all sorts of awesome cultural experiences for this. I think it's like a month-long celebration, so I'm really excited to go. So I'm going to show you everything that's in my Toiletries bag, and then I'm going to do a look for you so that you can see how I utilize everything in that Toiletries bag to create a look while you're on a tropical vacation. Of course, I have done a video just like this when I was in a solo trip in Norway, and that was kind of more of the winter version, and so this is the tropical version. All right, so let's first start by showing you my Toiletries bag and my liquids bag and everything that is in it. And you guys have heard me talk about this, you've seen me pack it, but today I'm finally going to talk about it. This is the Toiletries bag from Tripped Travel Gear, and I like that it's a hanging one. A lot of you guys have always said you have to get a hanging one because sometimes when you travel, there's nowhere to put your stuff. The funny thing is, this is my 4th hotel on this trip so far, and there has been nowhere to actually hang my Toiletries bag, but that's totally okay. What I like about this one is the size. It is still very small. A lot of hanging Toiletries bags out there are huge. They're as big as my packing cube full of clothes, and this one is still pretty tiny, like the size of my face. And then this is my liquids bag, and you can kind of see the size difference. So let's go over everything that's inside of it, and then we will get ready. So you're going to notice that in this bag there are 5 different compartments. So let's go ahead and start with these ones here. They're just nice little mesh breathable ones. In here I have little hair things, little clips, little hair ties, barrettes, whatever I may need. And then here I have Q-tip and Band-Aid. This pocket here is also accessible from the outside here. We are going to go ahead and do it from here, but do know that you can access it right here as well. So first we have deodorant, and then this is my solid sunscreen. I also have a big comb. I don't pack a big brush. And I have my solid shampoo and conditioner from FE. But after snorkeling, I do wish I had a little bit more stuff, at least conditioner wise. My toothbrush, and then I just have extra contact. Now let's go into this big pocket here, which I honestly just have a bunch of bug spray wipes. And then the last and final pocket is going to be my makeup and my NuStrips, and there's a lot in here. These are my NuStrips. You guys have heard me talk about these before. These are beauty in a strip, energy in a strip, sleep in a strip. So these come in all of these little dissolvable strips that go right on your tongue. These are always in my Toiletries bag. It's just really nice because then you don't have to swallow a pill, you don't have to have water, you don't have to wait a long time for it to kick in. They kick in within 5 minutes, and it's a really great thing to travel with, especially for jet lag, especially for, you know, I don't want to drink an energy drink while I'm walking around or something like that. Let's get into makeup. We will be doing a look with all of those as I get ready for the festival. But first, real quick, let me show you what's in my liquids bag. I do have a little spray sunscreen. These are my little Cadence capsules. One is face wash and one is moisturizer. They are magnetic. This is a cream for under eyes, and this is a primer to keep your makeup on when your face is really sweaty. Then I have a little teeny bottle of perfume, some dry shampoo, and I did honestly bring a little thing of a deep conditioner for after snorkeling tomorrow. I did have another one, and I used it after snorkeling the other day in Maria, and toothpaste, obviously. Okay, so now it is time to get ready. Let's go into the bathroom. Can we also just talk about like my villa real quick, because it's incredible. And this whole place is mine. Anyway, let's go to the bathroom. Yeah. all mine. Bonjour, monsieur. Let's go into the bathroom and get ready. There's also these beautiful lights in the ceiling. All right, so let's tie the hair up. Okay, we're gonna start with makeup first. That's what I usually like to do, and then I do hair. Now I'm gonna just wash my face and moisturize it. Now we'll do a little bit of that under eye cream. This is the only bit of under eye cream that I'm using, so I don't need to bring the whole 3-ounce bottle. Now here on this side is the Carpe, I think that's how you pronounce it, Carpe primer that helps keep your makeup on when you are sweaty. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that all over the face. And if I'm gonna be completely honest, you guys, I was in Tahiti for 4 days, Moorea for 3 days, and this is my first day in Bora Bora. I got here this morning and I haven't done my makeup once at all. So I feel weird even making this video tonight. I really don't feel like I need to wear makeup or do my hair or anything like that to go to this festival, but I did promise this video and that's what we're doing. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna start with is concealer. This is from Dominique Cosmetics. It's a YouTube girl. Right here, where I'm darkest, and up there, just to lift me up. And then I do a little bit on my lid. I have a lot of darkness. And then I'm gonna wet my little beauty blender, and it just brightens it up a lot. There, lightened and brightened. This has been one of my new favorites. It is the Baked and Balanced foundation from Laura Geller. I did talk about it in a liquids video. I love that it is non-liquid foundation. No matter if I'm tan or if I'm beginning my trip and I'm not tan yet, it still matches really well, and it can be buildable. You can do a lot more coverage or a lot less coverage, but when I travel, I strictly use this. They do have a little travel size one that comes with a sponge, but I found that this didn't take up that much room, and this is the brush that, it doesn't come with it. You can order it separately, but I really love the brush. So there, I feel like everything is nice and balanced. My next step is going to be in my Subtle Beauty stack, and this is going to be my powder. Now, it does come with a solid powder, but on one of my previous trips, it actually broke off the counter and completely shattered, so I took some of my favorite loose powder and put it in there instead. I'm gonna take my dry beauty blender now, and I'm just going to powder under my eyes, just to make sure it stays. Keeping my under eyes bright is important to me because that's the only part of my face that I'm really self-conscious about. And just rub the excess off. Now the rest of the look we're gonna do is with the Subtle Beauty stack as well. We are going to start with the bronzer. Now we're gonna go on to blush. Now on here I have two. I have one that is a powder and I have one that is a lip and cheek that is more of a cream. So we're gonna go ahead and use the powder one today. I like to go a little bit higher because I'm getting old. And that is the face. Now let's move on to the fun stuff. Now I really would never honestly do eyeshadow for something like this, especially on a tropical trip. If I'm gonna be honest, I'd probably throw some mascara on and be done, but let's go ahead and continue with the video. These are two of the shades that I have in the Subtle Beauty stack. This one is Dune, it's a little duo, and then this one is called Sunset, and it's a little duo. So let's do an eye look with these. This little peachy color here without shimmer. We're gonna take this little brush that's fluffy, but it's not too fluffy. And I just do it like a little windshield wiper. Doo, 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 doo. And then I'm gonna take this little shimmery one from the Dune stack, and I'm gonna place that on my lid. I'm not a beauty blogger, you guys, but I am a professional makeup artist and hairstylist. Let's do some eyeliner. All right, this is one of my favorite eyeliner pens, and this is gonna be really hard to do on the camera, I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna do a little wing, and what I do is I start out with my eye open. Hold on, I gotta do this in the mirror. I don't know how beauty bloggers do it. And that is the look for the eyeliner. Now, this is my little mini mascara. And you guys, I love mini mascaras regardless of if I'm traveling or not, because a lot of them you're gonna go pay 25, 30 bucks for a mascara and they're gonna dry out really fast. So I do love these for everyday use. I'm not gonna put them on the bottom because I know I'm gonna sweat a little bit. Then let's fill in my eyebrows. My eyebrows are microbladed, so I do have a really nice, easy color in the line. I don't mind how they look right now, but just right here, I wanna fill them in just a smidge. And then I like to just make the tail show a little bit better. Now the only thing left that we have to do is lips. So I am going to take my little brown lip liner. I am one of those people that like my lips to look ginormous. And we're just gonna fill it in a little bit. I love this color. I love it on myself. I love it on my clients. The lingerie from NYX called Turn On. Ooh. All right, so that is it for the makeup look. Now I have to figure out what the heck I'm gonna do with my hair. I am a hairstylist. I have been for 14 years, and I never do my hair on vacation, ever. I didn't bring a flat iron. I didn't bring a hair dryer. My hair is usually pretty stick straight, and on vacation, I tend to get just a little bit of this messy wave. So I just go with it. And a lot of the times I usually actually braid it so I can wake up and have a little bit of texture, but my hair is almost always wet on a beach vacation anyway, and I just go with the flow. But I am going to take one of my NuStrips Beauty in a Strip. I usually take it in the morning, but I had a flight to Bora Bora this morning, so I'm gonna take it now because it is in my toiletries bag, and that's when I remember to use it. Little strip like this. It is a really good flavor, dissolves on your tongue, and you get all the benefits. The Beauty in a Strip has biotin, vitamin E, and folic acid, so it's going to keep your hair, skin, and nails great. Not necessarily something that is great for vacation, but great for everyday use. And then while I'm taking my NuStrips, I'm going to take my Energy in a Strip because I am going out at 9 o'clock at night, and I am a total old person, and I would normally go to bed by 9, so I need a little bit of energy. Two totally different flavors, both delicious. The cool thing about NuStrips also, you guys, is it comes with 30 strips inside of it, and this is less than $30, which means you are getting essentially your vitamins for less than $1 per use, which something like this, you could totally get an energy drink instead, but then you're going to have a crash and you're gonna spend a lot more money. These are going to be a really good friend of yours. And these too. And the sleeping ones, because when I get home from the festival, you better believe I'm popping one of those on my tongue. So let's do a ponytail, and I'm gonna put some fake hair in because it's a really cool little easy thing to pack to give yourself more of a glamorous look. So I'm gonna start by putting my hair just in a normal ponytail and kind of like slicking it back. Of course, I do have bangs, so this is gonna be a lot easier if you don't have bangs. I'm gonna slick it down with some water because I don't travel with hair. And then I'm gonna put just a couple little bobby pins on the side. I could have black ones, but I don't think I packed that. Now, I could just wear my hair like this, but that's not really that fun. So let me show you my ponytail. It comes in this, it's from the company named Insert Name Here. This is not sponsored or anything like that. And it just has a really fun little textured beachy look. It's like a vegan hair alternative, but what it is, it has a little clip right here that you're gonna clip on your ponytail, and then this you're going to wrap around. We're gonna put that right on there. And then we wrap it around and we secure it with a bobby pin. And I do have a lot of hair, so I'm gonna secure it with 2. And we have a ponytail. Now let's go find a dress. All right, guys, thank you so much for getting ready with me today. I will link as much stuff as I can down below, but if you do want a new toiletries bag, I highly, highly, highly recommend the one from Tripped Travel Gear. It is the only toiletries bag I'm going to use from now on. It's the best one you'll ever get, I promise you. I'm gonna go have fun at the festival tonight. I will see you guys later. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.